Guess what came in today? As most of you are familiar with, this is the X1-Carbon by Bambu Lab, and I'm gonna do an unscripted unboxing and setup and see how fast we can actually get this thing to run. Let's get started. I probably shouldn't have brought this up here. In the box, there are little pull instruction stickers. That's very nice. So let's get this thing out of here. Got some support, some carbon fiber PLA, and some basic PLA. I've also got a lot more filament coming on the way, and also 3 more AMS units, and the hub. Straightforward guide here. On the front here, we got a quick warning: don't use flexible materials, damp PVA, or cardboard spools in the AMS. We have a component introduction, a nice diagram with the names of everything you'll need to know, all the accessories that it comes with, and here's how to begin the thing. Look.
Cool.
Here's what we've got going on inside there. This is the toolbox that we'll be using. That's long. The great thing about the Carbon is that the AMS unit actually ships inside of the frame, so that keeps everything nice and compact and protected. Here are your tools. And inside the printer, you're actually gonna see 2 little arrows that releases the AMS. That is a very long Allen key. I'm impressed. All right, let's get those screws out. There they are. All right, and now to get the actual AMS out. Has my necklace been hitting my mic this whole time? Okay, that's a lot lighter than I thought it'd be. Pretty straightforward, that looks great. Pretend I didn't hit that door. More arrows to show us where to take out the screws. There's 1, there's 2. There it is. There's 3, and that's 4. Let's get that piece of plastic out of here. Remove the cardboard from the tool head, remove the foam from the excess chute. Here's that cardboard I was talking about. Poop chute foam. Plug in the AMS. Looks like the AMS just goes on top. And I'm gonna have a slightly different configuration once I get the other 3 AMSs. Plug some stuff in. Aha! There's a lot of tape holding everything together. Boop, 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 boop. Remove the screw as pictured with the Allen key. Spool holder. Spool holder. I feel like they could have reused the screws, or even put these ones there for us to take out and put back in. It seemed a little wasteful. There's that. Unlock the hotbed. 3 more arrows. And then time to put the screen on. There's that. Excuse me. It says pull the ribbon cable out about 5 centimeters. I think that's all it goes. Heard the click. Download the Bambu app. Ooh. Scan that. Necessary only. Bambu Handy App Store. I would name this something else. The app is installed. Let's connect it up. I've got to name this printer. Any ideas? Let me get this plastic off the bottom first. I don't know why I've waited till now to do this. It would have been a lot easier before. English. Don't look at my Wi-Fi. All right, let's sign into the app. It says scanning for printers. Success. The printer needs to calibrate for the current environment. Please ensure the heated bed is unlocked before starting calibration. Calibration may take several minutes. Let's go. Everyone, make sure you're hydrated. Go drink some water. Let's get one of these rolls of filament into the AMS. And the cool thing about the Bambu filaments is that they come in with a little RFID chip, so once you put it in the AMS, it should auto-detect what that is. There's the desiccant. I think that goes right back in there. Apply a thin layer of glue on the build plate. A layer of glue. All right, how to lubricate the lead screws. And they do give you some right in there. It's interesting because the Prusa Mark III, the lead screws don't need lubrication because the guides that are on it are actually self-lubricating. And I didn't know that. I used to put lubricant on it and it made things worse. Put a fourth of that in there. Let's put that in here. Auto loading, very nice. It does not tell me what's going on. Ah, there we go. Green PLA, cool, that is loaded. It does come with another 2 plates. One is a cool plate and the other is a cool plate. And the one that's in there is a cool plate. But these are replacement ones. These don't have the spring metal in it. That's pretty neat. I'm going to start a first test print and see how that goes. So these are the files that are internally in the Bambu, what's in the micro SD card that you put in, and the print cache. A little bit of lag, but that's okay. Here's a mini tray. Filament detection, A1, that's great. You can choose if it's a single filament print, whether you use the AMS, bed leveling, flow calibration, and it also does an auto time lapse because there it is. That's a little camera. It's gonna take 2 hours and 57 minutes. Looks like we've got the first print going here. Here's the poop chute they were talking about in the back. This is where the nozzle wipes plastic falls out. If you could see it extruding into there. And there it goes, wiped off into the poop chute. Where did it go? Ooh, there it is. Bambu's first poop. It is printing now, so I'm gonna go let that print. You guys saw the raw experience. So check back in a little bit. I have some very special projects I'm working on with this printer right here. You're not gonna wanna miss it, so hit that subscribe button and ring that little bell icon. You know the drill. And after I've used it for a bit, I'm gonna post another review and talk to you guys about my experiences. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.